This is for ruby lovers. Silver ring with ruby gemstone that I got them from Barcelona. It was 2022 in front of the church in Barcelona, the cathedral church in Barcelona. There is a big market exactly in front of there. You can see in my videos and pictures that I'm sharing now. And yeah, I got these beautiful vintage style rings with ruby gem, and you can see how it looks on the finger. These are very nice for ruby lovers. So when you are in Barcelona, make sure to check out that market. You will find so many nice vintage pieces, not only jewelry but also some other things. You can see I have them in two different shapes. One is in a drop shape, as you see, and this is a smaller size, and this one, actually they have very small details, so there is a little bit different in the design, as you see in this picture, and you can see in this one the size is also different. So these are my hunt from Barcelona 2022. And make sure, if you are a gem lover, a ring lover plus a gem lover, check out the video that I created with turquoise gem rings from Tibet.